In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set expiry in credentials on Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're in the correct account or location where your membership credentials are managed. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation areas for your account. From that left side menu, click on Memberships. This section is where Gohighlevel organizes your learning products, member access, and related credential settings. After the memberships area opens, move your attention to the top menu and click on Credentials. This will take you to the area where your certificates and other credential related items are stored. Now find the certificate you want to update. If you have several certificates listed, take a moment to locate the correct one before making any changes. It helps to double check the certificate title so you're editing the right item. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that certificate. This usually reveals additional options that may not be immediately visible. Next, click on the three-dot menu associated with that certificate. This menu gives you access to more actions for that specific credential. From the options that appear, click on Set Expiry. This is the setting that allows you to define how long the certificate remains valid. After that, select the expiry date you want to use. Choose the date carefully because this determines when the credential will expire for users who receive it. If you're setting this up for compliance renewals or time-sensitive certifications, it's a good idea to make sure the date aligns with your program requirements. Once you've selected the correct expiry date, click Save to apply the change. Saving confirms the update and makes the expiration setting active for that certificate. And that's it. Your credential now has an expiry date set in Gohighlevel. If you manage multiple certificates, you can repeat the same process for each one as needed. A quick tip before you finish: after saving, it's always worth taking one more look at the certificate settings to confirm the date was applied correctly. That simple check can help you avoid mistakes later, especially if your members depend on accurate credential timelines. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to set expiry in credentials on Gohighlevel.